Hi, my name is Alisher Yuldashev and I'm from Turkmenistan. I came to attend CSWIP BGAS Grade 2 Painting Inspector course. I'm working in a company SGM. I have been working in the industrial protective coating industry for more than 10 years. To upgrade my professional qualifications, I decided to undergo specialized training, and the Blastline has been incredibly helpful in achieving this goal. Obtaining an international certification is the gold standard in our industry and a key requirement for any professionals looking to validate their expertise at an international level. I want to emphasize that the instructors here are very highly qualified professionals. They have a deep technical knowledge and a great way of teaching. Also, the technical facilities here in Blastline are excellently organized. Blastline provides all the necessary equipment and modern instruments for training, which make the learning process very effective. What makes Blastline truly unique is practical training. Along with excellent classroom preparation, they organize sessions directly in painting shops. For beginners, it's a big chance to deeply understand the actual workflow. I would like to point out that this course is truly universal. It's not only for beginners, freshers, it's also highly beneficial for those with significant experience behind them that upgrade their qualification. Kochi is an amazing, beautiful city, and the training at Blastline is top-notch. Whether you are a newcomer or an experienced professional, this is the place to be. Thank you, Blastline team.